Welcome to my channel, Garage Auto Fix. Could Toyota's new water engine truly be the game changer that turns the tide of the entire electric vehicle industry? Intriguing, isn't it? Imagine a world where cars run on water, the most abundant resource on the planet. A world where the phrase fuel efficiency takes on a whole meaning. This isn't just a flight of fancy, but the reality that Toyota is striving to make possible with its groundbreaking water engine technology. So, how does this revolutionary engine work? The principle behind it is surprisingly simple, yet undeniably ingenious. Toyota's water engine uses a process called electrolysis to separate water into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen is then used as fuel, while the oxygen is released back into the environment. The only byproduct of this process? Water vapor. That's right, a car that runs on water and emits only water. This technology has the potential to completely transform the automotive industry. Not only does it offer a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuels, but it also presents a viable solution to the challenges currently faced by electric vehicles. These challenges include the limited availability of materials like lithium, the environmental impact of battery production, and the high cost of electric vehicles. In summary, Toyota's water engine operates by harnessing the power of water through electrolysis, providing a clean and renewable source of energy. This innovative technology could potentially disrupt the electric vehicle industry by offering a more accessible and environmentally friendly option. In the face of the urgent carbon crisis, Toyota's water engine is not just a technological marvel, but a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a sustainable future. So the next time you see a raindrop, remember, it could be fueling the cars of tomorrow.